Hey chaps and chapesses, we're back on the workbench, and what we're going to do now, we're back on the workbench, and what we're going to do, guys and girls, we are going to fit our wires for our channel change. Yeah, that as well. For our channel change. Now, we've got these nice thin USB wires that come out of an old broken, knackered USB-C cable. They're lovely and thin, them guys, and they're just what I want, because they will be ideal, because they're nice and thin. Bear with me a minute, guys. Bear with me a minute. I've just had me tea, guys. Need to go for the gypsies. Move, son. Move, I need the gypsies. I need the gypsies, lad. I need the gypsies. Oh. Move. I want to come out of the lavatory. Move. Good boy. There you go. Good lad. Right, what we're going to do, guys, we're going to put the channel change wires turn the soldering iron on. Let's get the helping hands. I've seen it before. It's alright me saying I've seen it. Actually getting my hands on it is another thing. It's alright saying I've seen the bloody, there it is. There you go, guys. Shit, hang on. I got a little gift off Steve as well, which we'll probably look at tomorrow night. That can be our live video for tomorrow. So what we're going to do, we get these level and straight. These are lovely, these wires. I just hope it's not that sort of shit you can't solder to. I'm hoping it's proper wire inside. And what we're going to do, we're going to fit these. There's not many wires goes to the channel change on these radios. To be honest with you guys, there's not a lot. And what we'll do, we'll secure these down so that they can't come off. You know, once they're in there, that's it. Oh shit. Hello?
Did you get your pack of biscuits last night?
I did, yeah.
Good.
Yeah, I sent some crisps over for you, some onion rings.
Right.
Has your mum come over yet?
Not yet.
Alright, because I've got one of them drinks as well, them them Galaxy drinks, I've got you one of those.
Nice.
Yeah, because I know you like them, so I'll get you one every month, you see.
Yeah, they're nice then.
Yeah, I know you like those. Yeah.
Yeah, the biscuits were on offer, so I got 2 packs, so I told my mum to send some pack round.
Ah, so that's why I got them, because they were on offer.
Oh, yeah.
You never thought, oh, my dad might like a pack of them. I'll treat
You got a
him.
pack of biscuits, didn't you?
You see, you thought, oh, they're on offer, you can have them.
Yeah.
No, I'm only kidding, I know. Yeah, listen, I'm doing a YouTube video. I'll catch you in a bit.
Oh, no, they weren't on offer, but they were 85p.
Oh, right, you're saying that like you want the 85p back.
No?
I'll catch you later, Flower.
Bye.
Bye. Well, I'm going to make them that long, guys. And that way it'll give me scope to shorten them. Because I ain't going to need them any longer than that. In fact, what I'll do, if I make them equal length, because by the time we make them equal length, I mean, they're not going to be that long once they're in there, so we'll get some back out of them. So we'll get some back off them. So if I make them pretty much equal length, there you go. I think there's 8 wires in there, guys, but 2 of them, two of the connector pins actually go together. So we might get away with using 1 wire there. There you go. Right. So we'll start with the red. There we go. Now, where's me dirty clean rag? My dirtiest cleanest dirty rag. There we go. Let's just check the soldering iron tip. We want this as pristine as I can possibly get it. That's good. Right. We'll start with the red. And we'll start by, start by stripping it. Do that and well, that's it. Now, what we'll do next, guys, is we feed that through. I thought we were going to have to use the helping hands. I don't think we do. So what we'll do, we'll feed that through. Where's the first connection? So the first connection that we're going to use is these 2 here. The first one hang on, that's moved. Don't want to get any shorts, do we? I don't want to tin these first because so it's that one and that one. That doesn't want to stay together. Come on, you fucker. That's sort of wire, isn't it? There we go. See, what we'll do, we'll clip that down then, you see, to the size it should be. Yeah, it doesn't matter if the wires are too long because they're going to be made short. This soldering iron's crap. Oops. Tell you what we'll do. Turn it that way a little bit. Oops. There you go. perfect. See, we have two that go together, which is these two here. I don't think they go anywhere, to be honest. Must have something going there. Yeah, that grey wire goes there. So we'll take that off and move that over there for now. There we go. And what we'll do next, we'll put the green in. Green. And we can worry about the labelling later. Go on. Poor little greenie. Next one to the one next to the red. And the idea is to feed them in nicely. As far down as it will go. See, that actually comes out that end there. That feeds right through. So there you go. Come on. It's not fell out, has it? Oh, fuck, it has. Now I've got to clear the hole out before the wires fell out. Well, that one's... Now I've desoldered the other fucker and all now, oh yeah. Desoldered both of them now. Shit. Tell you what, this iron's a bit wide. So that's in. I've done me fucking snozzer. Sick of this. Do you know, I fucking hate having fucking block nose. Oh, fucking do. I'm gonna tin these. I'm gonna tin these because I think it'll make it easier. I think it'll make it easier to tin them, get them in. You only need a light tinning. That's got it. See, I don't want them cutting into the wire there. That's the problem we had with the helping hands. I don't want it cutting in. It should be alright. Alright. And this one goes next to that red. That's it. I think that's fell out. No, it hasn't. No, it hasn't. It has. It fucking hadn't. It has now. I mean, there we go. Where's my fucking solder? Lost my solder and I might just pull another bit off. Just pull another bit off. It's probably gone under there. You have to keep the iron super clean when you're doing this. See, we don't want them shorting anywhere, so that's good, that. Brilliant. I'm happy with the way it's going in. And what we do then, we just clip. There we go. Next one we'll put in white. Get it tinned up, tin it up. There we go. Keep the iron clean while we do this. Yeah, I'm phoning Mike tomorrow, Racing Demon, guys. I'll let you know how I'll let you all know how he is. Those of us that know him anyway. Anyway, guys, next one is that one. That one. I think it certainly is. So solder, shoulder. See, eventually all these go into the PLL. That's it. We'll check these for short circuits and stuff. Make sure that everything's right. Make sure that we're not. No, the black one. Could do with a few different colours of these, but we've only got them. So. Now, let's reclip that. There you go. Let's redo it. Twist them together so they're well out of it. We're not bothered about things being ground and stuff like that, them sort of colours. We just want to get enough wires in here so that when we come to put it together, we've got enough. Now asked about fucking what colour is what colour. Right, next one. Next one is the one next to the two that go together. And the two that goes, that's that one. No, that doesn't have a wire going in. It's that fucker. Yep. It's him. and then we've got two there that go together, but they can go to one wire. And it's very, very difficult to do this with this size iron. There you go. Clean that. So, because we don't want them lifting, you see. And these two here, we'll go back to white. Yeah, I managed to slide that one out, guys. Managed to do that with my teeth without ruining it. There we go. Yeah, and we've got two more on this side. So we're not doing bad. We've got two, there's just two more wires to put in, guys. Do 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 do. It was fucking hell, guys. I was gonna say it wasn't a fucking hell. Don't want me to sing it, does it? It wasn't the grass. It wasn't the grass that tickled her ass. And this is two wires. This it goes to one connection, so we can put one wire in there. We can put one wire in there. We don't need to even bother fucking about with that. Put that nice and neat. Clean that. And we just need to... Right, and that goes to there, so we only need the one wire because we can jump across it. Right, so that's them ones in, guys. That's them ones in, and what we'll do, we'll put something in there to hold those nice and snug. Make sure that we've got a wire in all where we need one. Yeah. For two more. I wonder if I can just strip these by doing this. People do it, but I can never get the hang of it. I always end up cutting the fucking wire. You know what I mean? I can't do that, guys. I mean, I left one strand of it there then, but yeah, we had a good live stream this afternoon, didn't we? And I thought Steve wasn't going to turn up, and he did. I like Steve, he's a good lad. And he's game for a laugh as well, you know what I mean? I mean, I was only messing about when I put the mop on his head, he's just having a laugh. You know, because if he did it to me, it wouldn't bother me, I'd have a laugh as well. You know, it's just a bit of fun. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, I do. I like Steve a lot. I'm glad I got to know him, because I do like him a lot. He's a sound guy. Right. So that's all, guys. Yeah, there's not a pad missing. It looks like there's a pad missing there, but there's not. So we'll put the red into we're heading to there, which is that one. Bend it over slightly. Bend over slightly. I mean, I wind everybody up, I torment everybody. I'm one of those guys. You know, I'm just one of those guys that just get a bit of fun out of winding everybody up. It's, you know, but I don't mind if people do it with me. I mean, see, that's why I didn't want to do that. It's so thin you can cut yourself. It's alright on thick gauge wire doing that, but on this fucking really thin stuff, I mean, this thin stuff's really good, because this is what you want for this, because you know, you can send this fucking thin wire, guys. You can send this any way you fucking please, it doesn't matter. There's a tip for you: never solder over the top of a circuit board. Yeah, never do that, guys, because if you drop a blob of solder, right, on this one, I mean, to be honest with you, I could have used these holes here, and it would have been a lot fucking simpler to use them holes, but I could have used them and they're a lot stronger. And if I have any trouble with this, then that's what we will do. But hang on, let's get this. Right. Just do that on there, because that could do with being a bit nicer looking. Wasn't happy with that. See, what I can do now, guys, I can just go through it now. Make all the joints just look good. That's it. Let's make everything look nice. Right. Well, that, pull that through there. Take all that through, there we go. That, guys, I mean, if you're moving the channel thing, you can move them to these squares here, but what I'm going to do here, I'm going to get a cable tie, if I can find them. They are here, and I know I have got them. Are these them? These could be them. No, they're not. No. But that's my SATA lead. So what we'll do, we'll get a piece of heat shrink for now. And what we'll do, take a piece of heat shrink. That should do it, because we don't want to. I don't really want any problem. Where's me clippers? There you go. So if I bring this up here now. See, when I'm connecting, I'm not worried about that, because I'll test them all before they go on. And we've got one there that a white that hasn't gone through. Which one is it? Or has it? Has it gone through? Yeah, it's there. Now I want to take this down to there. I'm going to put that there. And I'm going to just heat this up gently, not to melt the wire, but to just gently do the heat shrink. It's probably take a bit of punishment, this wire as well, you know, guys. Right, so what we need to do next is, because we are going to use, what we're going to do, we're going to put a knot in here. Do us. Then what we can do, because we're not putting the front back on, and there's nothing occupying that hole, bring that through, push that green through as well, so that all the wires are even. There we go. There we go, we've got that there, guys. They're all nice and there's plenty of slack in them. Just pull that tight, there we go. And I don't know whether this will work. Probably won't, but we'll try it. Because I've got no... Right, so we'll pull that through. That other green, where are you? One of the greens has got sort of snagged. There he is. Now what I'm thinking here, guys, it might not work. What I'm thinking here is if I can get that there, through there, there we go. Go a bit further with that. I can pull that through and only a little bit further. There you go. Oops. Now that's got that all the way through there, guys. And what that'll do, and pull that to there. There you go. Oh, that's spot on, that, guys. And all I do now, I don't have to, but we'll just there you go. That's all we want, guys. That's all we want. Seeing that now, they can go up to, see, because we're not using the holes on this side, we're certainly not using them holes. And there we go, guys. Let's try and find the zoomer inner, and I can show you what I've done. You can have a good look at what I've done. So let's bring you in on the zoomer inner. The zoomer inner, guys. And there's what we've done. See them numbered. See them that are numbered above them. We could have used those, but I decided to use what was there. What we were already connected to. So that's it, guys. Yeah, there is no more. I'll have a look at the other side. Hang on. And that's the other side. We want to go across here because you want to go to where the PLL is. There you go, guys. And that's all that's in there, really. I mean, there's nothing, you know, nothing really to... I can spot a dry joint from here. Right. See if we can find it with the picker. Let's get the pick. I can see a dry joint, guys, and it's right. Oh, I'm on the wrong end of the board. It looks like it's right there on that, but go on that pin there, go into the PLL. That looks like a dry joint. It could be wrong, but I don't think I'm wrong. I think it is. Ooh, hear that then? We went out of focus badly. And there we go, guys. See, we can put more in. We can use more of those type of wires for things like the RF meter and signal meter, because they're long, you see, so they're a good source of long wire. Them USB leads. And that's what we're going to do. I think I've moved the camera. That's it. Yeah, that's good, that, because that's not going to go anywhere, and the connections are all good. Yeah, connections are beautiful, but I could have used the wires there. What I was going to do, I was going to remove that jumper, take them under that and bring them over, but I thought, no, I won't, in case it ever gets a short. So they go to the channel change. I might have to put a couple of long wires in for there, I don't know yet. So I might have to deal with these. They're the mic. They're the channel dimmer. And there's a yellow wire in here that doesn't go anywhere. That fucker there. It's not meant to be in here, that one. Or is it? It could be, actually. No, I don't think it is. I don't think it's meant to be in here. Let me just check the channel changer. That's not the one. Where's my channel changer? The one I'm using. Oh, it's there. There it is. No, it's not, because I sold it to him. The dimmer wouldn't work when I did. So, no, it doesn't. It's not used. Yeah, and these all need to be decoded and worked out. I've got the other fidelity there, I can go off that. But we're hoping that we're going to be able to get all the switches in the right way. They might have to go upside down, but it doesn't matter whether they work the opposite way around, I suppose. I mean, I wish I'd have had it when I was doing that wiring, guys. You know, when I was wiring this up. Yeah. When I was wiring this, I wish I'd have had... Yeah, that wire doesn't go anywhere. It's not supposed to anyway. I wish when I was wiring this up I'd have had all that room there, because I had the front and everything still on there. I didn't have all that room that I've got there now. I need to look at the tone circuit as well, because this is the tone switch. That's the tone switch there, and that's tone on. That's no tone, and then put the capacitor across, that's tone. High and low tone, it doesn't have mid tone. But I want to put a variable tone on it, so we're going to be looking into that. High-low power wires have to be lengthened. They have to. We've got wire for that. We've got a switch. We've got wire on the end of a switch for that somewhere with the stuff. So we're all right there. I mean, them there, I could have actually done that way, I never thought. Because all these here, all these, all go to a connection here. Could have done it that way. But I haven't now done it that way, it can stay. I'm happy with it. We've got two transistors there that I'm missing. I wonder what they did. I'm not going to populate them. Are they in the... I wonder if the Harrier has them. I mean, I'm not going to populate them because they're not needed. I'm just wondering what they're for. Yeah, the Harrier has them. Yeah, the Harrier has. It has a white wire there. I think they're for the delta tune. They're probably something to do with delta tune. And it has two transistors back to back there. But there again, if you're going to put them in, you've got to put all these fucking parts here in. You know, you don't got to put a lot more in. There's an IC here as well, but none of them have it. I think that's for some sort of speech processor. But it's... Yeah, that's for some sort of... I think that's also for some sort of speech processing. Because it goes to here. They all seem to connect here. And nothing goes at all. I'll tell you what it could be. It could be a bar graph driver. Yeah, because one of these boards had a bar graph driver. Yeah, it'd be a bar graph driver, that. Because the Cybernet Beta 3000 had a bar graph. And that's probably why That's probably what that's for. Yeah, that's probably to drive the bar graph. That's why it's not in this unit. Because I've been wondering, I've been thinking, why is there a socket there for an IC? And there's no IC. I thought it was some sort of speech processor, but it's not. But it's worth saving this because there's a lot of good stuff in this Harrier board. Well, it's a Cybernet 134 board. There's a lot of bloody good stuff in this, guys. You won't believe what's there. You know? Lots of good stuff. I mean, like some of these chips, these PLLs, you can't get them. You can't get these PLLs now. And a lot of these transistors are probably you can't get. I don't think you can get the outputs anymore. And we need to make a bracket because we want to bracket this to the back of the case, because if we bracket it, if we stick it, if we make a bracket coming from the back here, these clips here, these holes here, use one of them, we can put a bracket on the back of the case. It means I don't have to screw this to the bottom of the case. It means the bottom of the case then, it means I can have a service panel moved. It means I can have a service panel cut into the bottom of the case that can be replaced with the metal we take off. That's what we're thinking of doing, guys. I'll tell you what, guys and girls, I'm really getting interested in doing this. I was interested in it before, but I'm really starting to take a bit of pride in it now. Not that I wasn't taking pride in it before, but I'm really getting, you know, sort of well, all these wires all need to be tidied up. There's no way I'm going to have it modified with all this lot looking the way it does. So some of these might even get replaced. It'd be nice to get a load of that in different colours, wouldn't it? Wouldn't that be great if we could get a load of that stuff in different colours? You know, every colour, if I could get that in every colour of the rainbow. Get that in every bloody colour, or yellow and orange and that gauge, but get it cheap. Yeah, I got a present off Steve, guys. He gave me a gift. It was in the front of his seat. It was in his front passenger front passenger footwell. And I said to him, I said, "What's that?" He said, "Take it if you want it." And what it is, it's an A1 amplifier, well, Casiva. It's got a cassette deck and it's basically a tuner amp with a cassette deck. It's known as a Casiva. I have taken the top off and had a look, done a cursory inspection, and it's got proper transistors, guys. It's got nice big top hat transistors. So we'll go for that tomorrow and see what we can do. See if it works. See if it works or it doesn't. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get some sleep soon. I'm falling asleep now. Yeah, but I'm really happy with the way this is turned. I'm really happy with the way them wires have gone. I mean, they'll reach no matter where I fucking put them. And if I need to get a bit extra through, there's a bit there. I can get a bit through if I need to, but I don't want to. I want to keep a loop on them. I want to keep them like that. Hey up. Somebody got a new present. We still haven't cut the hole out for the speaker yet because we don't know what we're dealing with. We don't know how big the speaker grill's gonna be. I need to measure it all out. Because the last thing I want to do is cut a hole out and then not be able to put a bloody speaker in it. What I might do, I might go for a 3-inch hole. Because I still get sound out of it no matter what. But I might go for a 3-inch speaker yet. Because that one's open. Oh well. I was in a bit of a daydream there. Hey. Fancy me forgetting me frickin' milk, guys. No, I've never done that. In all the years I've been shopping online, I've never ever forgot me milk. I think I must have took it out of the list, not realising it. Or because I normally order the same stuff, I just either add or take. There we go, guys. Alright, let's come to camera 5. There we go, guys. As you can see, the hot seat has been put away until next week. Yeah, I thought that was dead funny. You know, having a bit of a laugh with Steve. You know, we were just having a bit of fun. It's like I say, guys, if he'd have done it to me, I'd have just laughed it off as well. So, you know, he does things to me, actually. We're usually not on camera. He'll say things, you know, don't bother. Anyway, you all take it easy, guys. And I'll get this uploaded for you, and I'm going to crawl in bed for an hour. I'm absolutely, totally fucked. Pardon the expression. You all take it easy. Like, share, subscribe. And if anyone wants to buy me a coffee, then feel free. If you don't, then still feel free. Bye for now, guys and girls. You all take it easy.